Hey there, AK here. I'm now at the launch event of the OPPO Reno 4 series. Hang on a moment. Yes, this is it. This is the launch event. It's online. Yup, my first time attending an online launch event. It's gonna be fun. I'll see you after the presentation. Hold on. Something just arrived. Look at this. This is the review unit. Okay. Reno 4 Pro. Yeah. And then there's some message behind, and that's the device itself, the Reno 4 Pro. And ooh, what is this? This is the OPPO Watch. I believe it will be launched later as well. I'll be unboxing these devices after the presentation, so stay tuned. So that was the presentation. OPPO announced a total of 3 products today. The OPPO Reno 4 Pro, the OPPO Watch, and the OPPO Enco W51 TWS. Instead of spending a ton of time talking about the specs and features which you can find online, let's go straight to the unboxing. Okay, so here we have both devices. Let's begin with the OPPO Reno 4 Pro. Ooh, I think there's a case in here. Oh yes, this is the OPPO Reno 4 Pro with a really nice matte finish on the back. It feels like plastic. I'll have to clarify what material it is later, but yeah, it looks really nice. Then let's power it on, and there, now you can see the curved sides. It's not as obvious as my Vivo Nets 3, which is like, let me show you. This is really steep. This is a 90Hz AMOLED display. The colors really pop from first impressions. And there's a cutout for the selfie camera. This is a 32 megapixel camera. Let's take a selfie. This is running on ColorOS version 7.2 on top of Android 10. So one thing you have to know is that there is 2 variants of this OPPO Reno 4 Pro. One is the China variant, and the one I have is the global variant. On the global variant, you will notice that there's one more additional camera. The OPPO Reno 4 Pro supports Super VOOC 2.0, so the case is rather tight, but that means good protection. As you can see, it does a pretty good job at getting rid of the camera protrusion. Okay, now let's move on to the OPPO Watch. And there you go. It feels really good. It's cold. There are 2 buttons here, and one of them should be the power button. I'm guessing it's this. And yes, so let's just wait. This thing runs Wear OS, though it isn't the normal Wear OS that you are used to. The starting screen is in Chinese. This screen is really nice. Well, it is AMOLED after all. It says that I need to download the app on my phone. So let's do just that. Oh, wait a minute. You see that? I haven't even installed the app. And there's a notification for me to set up. Nice. Okay, so now let's take a quick look at the interface. You can swipe right, swipe left to take a look at your activities. Swipe right to access Google Assistant. Swipe up to see your notifications. Swipe down for all the controls, and the button, the top one, you can press it to take a look at all the apps. Ooh, there's even a Play Store here. And then you can swipe from the left side to close the app. The button at the bottom allows you to access the workouts. This is the charging base for the OPPO Watch. See the pins down here? Just place it over, and it attaches magnetically. I will be testing this over the next few days along with the OPPO Reno 4 Pro. Stay tuned for my review, which will be coming out really soon. Oh, and here are all the pricing for the products that OPPO announced today.